Hi guys, welcome to Cocktail Friday. Now today's cocktail is a lemon drop martini. So what we need for that is vodka, lemon juice and some simple syrup. Now I don't have martini glass, so I'm going to use one of our half-pint glasses here. So first of all, I'm going to rim the edge of the glass with a bit of lemon, dip it into my sugar, and my glass ready for the cocktail. Oh, so we need 2 ounces of vodka, half an ounce of sugar syrup, and 1 ounce of lemon juice. Add your ice. Give a good mix. Strain it into your glass. And then you just top it off with a little bit of garnish. So just twist of lemon. Just give it that pop of colour. And there, you have your lemon drop martini. Happy Friday, everyone.